Magandang gabi po.
Magandang gabi po.
Dito po kami sa... Hi, hello! Dito po kami sa bahay ni Nelson at nagse-celebrate lang po kami ng birthday ni Nelson. Ayan.
Kids are gonna fall.
Hello!
What are you doing?
New Year,
Yeah,
new
these
software.
children.
Matibay ang Galaxy. Ang beses na Oh, yeah. Alright, we'll finish at midnight. Or maybe morning.
Ka Nelson, how flakes?
It was
Huh?
cold.
How flakes? Oh?
Oh, yeah. Have you chill it? Ooh, pepe na.
Selin?
Sige, upo na kayo.
Oh, bring your own chair.
Anak ko, nagtatanong mo.
Who's first? Lost and found. Maybe we can find the owner.
That's mine.
I'll bring it up.
Ba't na ano? Punta rito. Wait.
What is it?
Check it out.
Refrigerator mo. Dalawa? Alin? Sabi ko yun na refrigerator niya.
Freezer na mostly.
Have a seat. Which one?
Lipot, part 2.